Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be walking you through your torque. In your very front compartment here, you're going to have your 12-volt battery off to the left, hydraulic fluid. Right to the right, you're going to have a generator. You're going to push and hold prime for 5 seconds, push and hold start for 5 seconds. Start the unit with the breakers off, and then turn on the breakers. Make sure you have the front cover on when you are running the generator. So extend and retract will control the front legs. Right on the driver's side here, you're going to have one of your 30-pound LP tanks. The regulator and the other tank is on the passenger side. Right to the right of that, you're going to have access into the pass-through. It goes all the way through to the passenger side. Right to the right, you're going to have your inlet for your water. You put your water in here. Now you'll be able to choose if you want to fill the tank or if you want to do city or normal out of the tank. And then your winterization off to the right. Below that, you're going to have outdoor shower, hot and cold. You're going to have black tank flush here. Do not hook a water hose up to that unless your valves are open and you're connected to the ground. Again, unless your valves are open and you're connected to the ground. Then hook a water hose up here. If you got a black tank full and you forget to pull the openings for the black tank, you add more water to it, it's going to have a big problem in your bathroom. To the right here, you're going to have your exhaust. Your furnace exhaust, it gets extremely hot, so make sure nothing's on the other side of it when you start it. You're going to have 4 inlets for cable, 1 inlet for satellite. Right below, you're going to have a 50 amp hookup. Your poles. Coming to the rear of your unit here, you're going to have your rear poles and rear bathroom connection with the rear black tank flush. Remember, before using that, open your valves and connect it to the ground. Here's going to be your gauge for your fuel. You're going to have your auxiliary hose inside there, as well as the fuel tank. And the rear of your unit here, you're going to have the rear awning with the rear lights. The awning is controlled off of the back controls inside the garage. Here, coming up in the back door, this would be access into the garage as well as the bunk room. Right on the side slide, you're going to have your outdoor speakers. That's going to be controlled from inside the unit. You're going to have the awning. Awning is controlled from the main panel inside here. Coming right past your main door, you're going to have your water heater. On this pass through, you're going to have your bypass for your water heater as well as your leveling. Your leveling here up to the top right corner. You turn on and off. Auto level the unit. Retract and extend on it. So retract. To retract it, LEDs on. You're going to push and hold what leg you want to retract. Extend, make sure the LED light is off. The auto level is going to level out your unit. Power on the right side. Here you're going to have your other 30-pound LP tank with your regulator in front of it. On the top there will be a black knob. Turn it to the back, you'll use the driver's side tank. Pointing to the front, you're going to use this tank. Going inside your unit, right beyond this glass door here is going to be your panel. So any switch in your unit not labeled as lights, so you'll have lights here. Slide controls here. This one's going to be for the slide with, you're going to have one with the slide here, as well as the other one here. This could be for the bedroom. So you have to make sure the bathroom door is closed and bedroom door is open. So during operation of this slide, this is how it should look. If you have it any other way, it's going to crush the doors. The very top slide is going to be the slide for right here with the couch. You're going to have fan controls here. As well as right below it, you're going to have the generator. You'll be able to start it from inside here. Just push and hold prime for 5 seconds. Push and hold start for 5 seconds. Right below, you're going to be able to tell the levels in your unit. So you'll just push and hold. Water pump, water heater gas side, water heater electric. And then you're going to have our awning control here with the awning light. We're going to start from the master bedroom and work our way back. In your master bedroom, right up by the headboard, you're going to find yourself a thermostat. This thermostat, you tap it mode button once to acknowledge it, and then you tap the mode button to choose fan, AC, or heat, and then up and down on the right is going to control the temp. Right below, you're going to notice there are little push button lights. The button is in the center. You're going to find those throughout your unit. There's a white LED as well as the main lights here. Those are controlled by the 2 switches here. The table that you see there is for the right in front of the couch, which I'll show you when we get down there. You'll be able to access this master bathroom from the bedroom or the hallway. The master bedroom has the light switches right above the toilet, as well as GFI breaker right to the left of the sink. Coming out into the living area, you're going to notice there's 2 holes in front of your couch. That's where that table's going to go. There will be legs back there. As well as on your slide, there is manual light switch here. I'll turn it on and off. Keys are in your sink. Refrigerator, you'll be able to control the mode by opening the top freezer door on and off, auto or gas. Microwave is going to be best indicator if you have short power. If you have short power, that's going to be on and working. Your stove top here, just like at home, you're going to have a light as well as a fan. Right below it, you're going to have your stove top. Your stove top, you're just going to turn the knob over to light and use your igniter knob off to the left. Now here is just a nice, good pantry area. You're going to have the TV. Now the TV's not going to work unless you're hooked to short power. Just know that. Coming in the back garage, right when you walk in, you're going to look up. You'll be able to see controls. Now, again, any switch not labeled is lights. These are all lights here. Fan controls for inside the actual bunk room. You're going to have awning control. That's going to be for the rear. You're going to have also the bed lift control right to the right here. Bed lift control to bring down this bed on the very top. You're going to have little pins. You're going to have these little pins at each corner. You need to bring the couch all the way up as shown here. Then you're going to pull those pins, and then you're going to lower the couch. The bed's going to stop on pegs inside the actual track system. Now you can adjust those pegs. Just know adjust one, adjust all. As well as you're going to see here, this is a control for your rear screen that will come down for the porch. You're going to have the rear bathroom here. You'll be able to check the levels in the rear bathroom by pushing and holding. You're going to have the light switch here. I hope this video helped. Thank you for choosing Lakeshore. Have a great day.